So you're thinking about switching real estate companies. You know about the big box companies who take a huge percentage of your commission with endless fees. They have dwindling support and their marketing is tired. There are also those 100% commission companies who still charge high fees and provide zero support. You're left out in the jungle to fend for yourself with no help or direction. Here at Kelly Wright, we give you the best commission structure in the industry with full support and the finest marketing tools to help you increase your business. We charge a small monthly fee and a very small transaction fee. However, it is not this incredible commission we are so proud of. It is the incredibly powerful marketing tools and training we provide that really sets us apart. Kelly Wright will show you how to use the most advanced technology to drive leads. By using a powerful CRM and mobile app, you will increase your business and capture leads you never had access to in the past. Our Fuse training will teach you to take advantage of more information and close more deals. We focus on marketing strategies perfected by Kelly Wright and never before used in real estate. Take the time to see why Kelly Wright is a better choice for your career. We think you'll like what you see. Kelly Wright is real estate done right.